figure shown on the screen, a vessel was put in a water to a certain height of 30 centimeters. Now, the water formed a certain shape, and the shape it formed is called a cone. And now we are supposed to find the volume of water in the vessel, which means that we are simply finding the volume of the cone formed by the water. Now, there's a formula we normally use to calculate the volume of a cone. Formula: volume equals to a third AH. Now, where A is the base area of the cone. If you look at the base of this cone, the water formed by the cone is a circle, and the formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r squared. So A stands for the area of a circle, where the formula is pi r squared, and then H is the height of the cone, which is in this case 30. Radius of the circle R is 21, the height is 30. So we substitute those values in the formula. The volume of that cone is a third, pi, in this case we use 22/7. The radius squared is 21 times 21 times the height of the cone, which is 30. Now, simplifying further, this will automatically give us the volume as 22 times 21 times 30, and that is equivalent to 13,860 centimeter cube.